Welcome to the future. This is your monthly dose of cutting-edge innovation, where we dive into the most groundbreaking AI and robotics advancements from across the globe. From the bustling tech hubs of China and Japan to the pioneering labs of the US and beyond, February has been a month of jaw-dropping breakthroughs and futuristic marvels. Whether it's robots that can think, machines that learn, or AI that's reshaping industries, we've got it all covered. So buckle up and join me as we explore the most exciting developments in AI and robotics this month. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. What's up, guys? Alfie here, back with incredible monthly AI and robotics updates from all over the world. Trust me, these latest updates will shock you, and you can count on AI Nexus to bring you every detail as it unfolds. Let's go. All right, first off, DeepSeek has been making headlines in a major way. If you remember, they launched their R1 model in January, and it basically caught everyone off guard. R1 was touted as a powerful AI reasoning model, and it was training at a fraction of the cost that bigger companies like OpenAI reportedly invest in their own models. Some people, including Google, were skeptical of those claims. Google even called DeepSeek's statements exaggerated, and OpenAI suspected that DeepSeek might have used distillation from ChatGPT infrastructure. But either way, the model was out there, and names like Microsoft added R1 to Azure, AI Foundry and GitHub and Amazon Web Services also featured it in their model catalog. Now, the big story is that DeepSeek wants to release their successor, R2, earlier than they initially planned. They had said R2 might launch in early May, but new reports suggest they're trying to get it out even sooner. The upcoming R2 is supposed to have improved coding capabilities and be able to reason more effectively in languages beyond English. That's a huge deal, because if you think about it, a lot of advanced language models tend to revolve around English, so having robust multi-bank support could position DeepSeek as a serious global contender. The G1 robot from the Chinese company, Unitree, continues to remain at the center of attention for all robotics enthusiasts. For an entire week, the company has been showcasing new abilities of the robot, demonstrating its incredible progress. In the latest video, the robot has mastered martial arts, specifically Kung Fu. This type of robot could be used, for example, as a personal bodyguard, which can be purchased for $16,000 as a bonus. You would also get an excellent dancer. As in a previous video, the company showcased its impressive dancing abilities. In the demonstration, the robot performed complex dance moves with remarkable smoothness and precision. Leave a comment. Would you like to own a metal master of Eastern martial arts? Google has several new AI developments that have attracted a lot of attention lately, and one of the most significant focuses on something called mixture of depths, or MOD, which addresses the problem of transformer-based language models allocating the same amount of compute to every token in a sequence. The researchers at Google DeepMind showed that it is possible to dynamically allocate flops by routing certain tokens through the expensive self-attention and MLP computations, while allowing other tokens to skip them through a residual connection. The idea behind mixture of depths is actually pretty simple. Instead of treating every word in a sentence as equally important, this AI figures out which words need more attention and which don't. It then spends more processing power on the important ones and skips over the less important ones, saving time and making everything run faster. This means the AI gets just as good, sometimes even better, while using half the effort. Not only the service industry is undergoing changes. In Japan, Toyota has introduced a unique violin-playing robot capable of performing musical pieces with high precision and expressiveness. The violinist robot is equipped with 17 joints in its arms and fingers, providing it with human-like dexterity and allowing precise control over the bow and strings. It stands 152 centimeters tall and weighs 56 kilograms. The precise coordination of movements enables the robot not only to play notes correctly, but also to create vibrato, adding emotional depth to its performance. The technologies used in the violinist robot can be adapted to develop devices capable of performing complex manipulations with instruments and objects, significantly expanding automation possibilities in everyday life. Toyota already has a robot that can play the trumpet, so in the future, a full robotic orchestra may become a reality. Amazon just dropped a massive AI upgrade for Alexa, turning it into a full-blown personal assistant that remembers what you like, plans your day, and even watches your security cameras, all for a price. Some say it's the future of smart assistants, while others think it's just another way to squeeze more money out of users. All right, first off, let's talk about pricing, because that was one of the biggest bombshells. Amazon's Alexa Plus is going to cost $19.99 per month. If you're not a Prime member, I know, right? That's quite the jump from the old free Alexa we've all used for quick questions and timers. But if you already have Amazon Prime, you're totally in luck. Alexa Plus comes free with a Prime membership. So for Prime subscribers, there's no extra fee once this early access period wraps up. For everyone else, it's a separate monthly charge. A few insiders said Amazon originally toyed with lower price points like $5 or $10. But ultimately, they landed on $19.99 for non-Prime folks. Now, Amazon has said it'll roll out to us customers, first starting in the next few weeks, under an early access program. The rest of the world will need to wait a bit. They mentioned something like in the following months for other countries, but they haven't pinned down exact dates yet. And interestingly enough, that's got some people scratching their heads. There's no major legal blockade that Amazon cited for skipping out on a simultaneous global release. But historically, Amazon does tend to focus on the US market first. For those trying to jump on board early, there's a priority list if you own or purchase certain Echo devices. Specifically the Echo Show 8, 10, 15, or 21 if you already have one of those. Amazon might send you an email or a device notification inviting you to try Alexa Plus early once you enable it. It'll work across compatible Echo devices, Fire TVs, Fire tablets, and even your web browser or a new mobile app. The older Echoes, like the first-gen Echo Dot or Echo Spot, will stay on the original Alexa. They won't be upgraded to Alexa Plus. Here is another new Chinese development, a humanoid robot called PM01, introduced by Shenzhen Robotics Company. PM01 is designed for commercial and educational applications. It can perform complex movements thanks to a 320-degree waist rotation, allowing it to adapt to various tasks and scenarios. Its height is 1 meter, 38 centimeters, and its weight is approximately 40 kilograms. The robot features both mechanical and anthropomorphic walking, ensuring natural movement. PM01 is equipped with an interactive screen inspired by the control interface from Iron Man, providing intuitive user interaction. It represents a significant step forward in humanoid robotics, combining advanced technology with an affordable price, making it an attractive solution for various industries and educational institutions. Claude 3.7 Sonnet just dropped, and it's not just faster, it thinks smarter, codes better, and even runs commands like a real developer. This might be the closest we've come to an AI that actually works like a human brain. Alright, so Claude 3.7 Sonnet is Anthropic's latest large language model, and they're calling it a hybrid reasoning model. Other labs like OpenAI with their 0.3 or Google with Gemini 2.0 flash thinking sometimes have separate models for everyday tasks versus hardcore reasoning tasks like math proofs or physics problems. Anthropic wanted to put everything into one model so you don't have to switch back and forth when you need either quick answers or super deep analysis. They say it's like having one brain that can do speed mode and deep reflection mode. And I've got to say, it sounds like they're really onto something with that approach. So how does that hybrid idea work? In practice, basically, you get two ways to use Claude 3.7 Sonnet if you need a lightning-fast answer, like if you just want to ask, "What's the capital of Italy?" You can do that in standard mode, and it'll respond near instantly. But if you've got a gnarly math problem or a complicated coding scenario, you can switch on something called extended thinking mode. In that mode, Claude literally shows you its internal chain of thought or reasoning process. According to Anthropic, it does this by reflecting step by step before spitting out the final solution. They actually compare it to humans. Sometimes we do a quick mental check, and sometimes we sit down and write out every step in detail. It's exactly like that, but in AI form. Japan is actively integrating robots into the service industry, and one of the most notable examples is Niaki, a robot developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. This autonomous robot is designed for work in hotels and can perform tasks that previously required human involvement. Gnocchi stands 150 centimeters tall and weighs 75 kilograms. It moves on a four-wheeled platform and is equipped with 2 arms, each with 3 fingers. Its neck can extend up to 190 centimeters, allowing it to interact with objects at different heights using built-in sensors and cameras. The robot can detect the position of door handles, knock on doors, open them, and deliver drinks or other items directly to guest rooms. The primary goal behind Gnocchi's development is to address Japan's labor shortage, particularly in the service sector, where a declining workforce due to an aging population has created staffing challenges. Japanese engineers from Kawasaki Heavy Industries have decided to show the world that the strongest robots today are made in Japan. Their humanoid robot named Kaleido demonstrated its physical capabilities at one of the latest exhibitions by performing a series of bodybuilding exercises with a height of 170 centimeters and a weight of 100 kilograms. The robot can lift loads weighing up to 60 kilograms. Kaleido is designed for tasks requiring high physical strength and agility. It can carry heavy loads, perform exercises such as push-ups and pull-ups, and move across complex surfaces. Its design allows it to be used in environments hazardous to humans, such as maintaining high-rise structures or operating in disaster zones. In the video, the robot performs exercises with dumbbells, showcasing its strength and mobility. These demonstrations highlight the potential of Kaleido in carrying out tasks that require significant physical effort and its suitability for use in various industrial and service sectors. Microsoft just unveiled a quantum chip that could change everything. Magana, a processor built to scale to 1 million qubits and solve problems no supercomputer on Earth can touch. If they pull this off, quantum computing could go from futuristic theory to real-world impact in just a few years. Essentially, they've introduced this fancy device they're calling Majorana 1, or sometimes the world's first quantum processing unit, QPU, powered by a topological qubit. It's all built around a special type of material known as a topoconductor, a new word that you probably haven't heard in everyday conversation. Topoconductors are key because they help create these exotic quasi-particles called Majorana zero modes, MZMs. For almost a century, Majorana particles were purely theoretical, only predicted in textbooks. But thanks to Microsoft's approach of combining a semiconductor indium arsenide with a superconductor aluminum, cooling them down near absolute zero and then applying magnetic fields, they've managed to make these Majorana zero modes appear in nanowires on demand. Each wire ends up with MZ'd M's on its 2 ends, and that's the building block for their qubits. But why does this even matter? Well, these Majorana-based qubits are supposed to be more stable and far less error-prone than many other qubits out there. Error correction is a huge deal in quantum computing because once you start having thousands or even millions of qubits, all that noise and interference in the environment can really mess up calculations. Chinese engineers continue to amaze the world. Recently, the Chinese company RZRDAL, which is specializing in the creation of ultra-realistic robotic women, introduced a new line of robots that promises a revolution in human-machine integration. This robot line is unique in that it is nearly indistinguishable from real people. They are made of high-quality silicone, providing a realistic skin texture. The robot's core consists of a metal frame that allows it to take various poses. Additionally, facial and body features have been meticulously designed for maximum realism. Thanks to integrated artificial intelligence, these robots can serve as excellent companions and conversation partners. The cost of such robots varies depending on the model level of detail and additional features. The average price ranges from $2,000 to $5,000. Engineers from the Institute of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Zurich have created a prototype of a 2-wheeled delivery robot based on a children's pedal-free bicycle, the Robo-Bike, built on 12-inch wheels, was named Ultra Mobility Vehicle. This high-tech smart iron horse is capable not only of moving on flat surfaces, but also of performing jumps. One of the key features of the robot is its ability to move in reverse while maintaining perfect balance. It is fully autonomous and controlled by an autopilot system. This technology could serve as the foundation for self-balancing motorcycles, which could be used in logistics delivery services, as well as in research and extreme conditions. Additionally, the robot could be used as a platform for developing all-terrain robotic couriers and research bots capable of navigating challenging environments and overcoming obstacles with high precision. More and more companies are trying to enter the robotics market, and Lenovo is no exception. Recently, the company introduced a six-legged robot dog called Daystar Bot GS. The robot is designed in the style of Spot by Boston Dynamics, but it has one distinguishing feature. Lenovo's development has 6 legs instead of 4. This provides greater stability and maneuverability for the machine. Daystar Bot is built to operate in challenging conditions. The robot boasts advanced control systems and sophisticated algorithms that allow it to navigate efficiently and recognize objects. Its front section is equipped with various sensors and cameras. On the robot's back, there is additional mounted equipment used for collecting environmental data. The robot is positioned as a solution for commerce, industry, search and rescue operations, and the public sector. The British company Humanoid has introduced the humanoid robot, HMND-01, equipped with hands that operate faster than a human's. It features advanced control, modern artificial intelligence, and enhanced functionality. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, the robot can walk at a maximum speed of 5.4 kilometers per hour and carry objects weighing up to 15 kilograms. Its battery provides an average runtime of about 4 hours. The humanoid has a modular design, meaning users can assemble a robot from various upper and lower body parts offered by the company to suit their needs. HMND-01 performs complex tasks quickly, tasks previously achievable only by humans, and moves with exceptional precision in confined spaces. Its capabilities make it useful in warehouses, retail establishments, and even in homes for everyday tasks. This humanoid robot from China has already begun working in factories, both in Chinese and international. Companies involved in electric vehicle production companies like NIO and Volkswagen are actively integrating robots into their assembly lines. The Walker S robotic humanoids developed by UB Tech Robotics assist in quality control tasks such as inspecting door locks, seat belts, and headlights, as well as attaching logos to vehicles. Walker S is equipped with 36 high-performance servo motors providing flexibility and precision and movement. It also features a range of sensors for environmental perception, enabling object recognition as well as processing visual and auditory information. The robot can autonomously navigate complex environments using the USLAM system, which allows it to plan routes, avoid obstacles, and recognize faces, objects, and scenes. UB Tech Robotics is optimistic about the potential of robots and electric vehicle assembly lines to boost efficiency. The company states on its website that the future of humanity lies in the coexistence of robots and humans. Unitary Robotics has released a video showcasing the progress of its humanoid robot named G, one demonstrating its impressive dancing skills. In the demonstration, the robot performs complex dance moves with remarkable smoothness and precision. This was made possible by an updated algorithm that allows G1 to learn any dance by analyzing movements and reproducing them with a high level of realism. G1 is equipped with 21 degrees of freedom, giving it flexibility and fluidity of motion close to that of a human. Thanks to high-power electromechanical actuators, the robot responds instantly to commands, while its balance system enables it to perform complex maneuvers, including jumps, flips, and rapid shifts in body position. Additionally, G1 can walk at a speed of up to 2 meters per second and operate on a single battery charge for about 2 hours in its basic configuration. The robot is priced starting at $16,000. The Chinese company Iron Tech, a leading manufacturer of highly realistic female robots, has introduced a new generation of its models. Iron Tech robots are designed for personal interaction between humans and machines. Thanks to artificial intelligence, they can serve as excellent conversation partners, fully replacing human interaction. Iron Tech uses non-toxic and environmentally friendly materials such as silicone to create its robotic humanoids. They are also equipped with an internal metal frame that allows them to mimic natural human movements and poses. Customers can customize various features, including skin tone, eye color, hairstyle, and body type, to create a robotic doll that suits their preferences. The price of these robots varies depending on the selected specifications and materials. For example, some models start at $1,200 in other regions. Prices may differ. For instance, in the United States, some models cost around $2,290. Another Chinese company, Hanadal, specializing in the production of robots designed to replace human relationships in the future, has introduced a new generation of its highly realistic robots for the Japanese market. These robots are almost indistinguishable from real people. Developers claim that the level of interaction with these robots is so advanced that it is nearly identical to human communication. They can engage in conversations on any topic, offer support, and serve as excellent companions. Hanadal uses high-quality silicone, ensuring a realistic skin texture and pleasant tactile sensations. The robots are equipped with an internal metal frame that provides mobility and allows them to assume various poses. Prices vary depending on the model and features, starting at $200 and reaching several $1,000s in. The Swiss company RIVR, specializing in the development of robots with physical artificial intelligence, has introduced an innovative robot designed to revolutionize delivery by making it more efficient and sustainable. The robot can quickly navigate city streets, overcome obstacles, and deliver packages directly to customers' doors. It is equipped with wheels at the ends of its 4 legs, allowing for high speed on smooth surfaces, while also enabling walking on rough terrain and obstacle navigation. The robot can stand on its rear wheels while using its front wheels for balancing and interacting with objects, enhancing its functionality in urban environments. The use of artificial neural networks enables the robot to adapt to various situations and improve delivery efficiency. In the near future, such robots could completely transform the delivery industry, taking it to an entirely new level. Here is a new multifunctional robotic arm, developed by QB Robotics Company, designed for handling various objects. This innovative device combines advanced robotics and artificial intelligence technologies, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks, from washing and sorting to transportation and precise manipulations. The robotic arm is equipped with a computer vision system that enables it to identify objects, analyze their shape and weight. It also features high mobility and flexibility in movement. It can integrate into various automated systems, collaborate with other robotic machines, and operate in complex environments. Thanks to its adaptive grip, it can adjust its gripping force, allowing it to safely handle both hard and soft materials. China continues to rapidly advance its humanoid robotics industry. Recently, engineers from Humanoid Robots Limited demonstrated new capabilities of their robot named Qing Long. Now it confidently moves boxes and manipulates objects with high precision. Qing Long is the first full-size, general-purpose humanoid robot in China with open-source software. It was introduced at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in the year 2024. The robot stands at 185 centimeters tall, weighs 80 kilograms, has 43 active degrees of freedom, and achieves a maximum joint torque of up to 400 Newton-meters in recent demonstrations. Qing Long not only transported boxes, but also carefully handled objects, adjusted grip force, and worked with items of various sizes and shapes. Additionally, Qing Long has high mobility. It can navigate uneven surfaces, adapt to external impacts, ascend and descend slopes. Japanese scientists continue working on the development of ultra-realistic skins specifically designed for robotic humanoids. Recently, the research team shared their progress and released a video showcasing the capabilities of their latest innovation. The footage left viewers stunned, with most calling it a new nightmare, creepy and unsettling. According to the researchers, their invention closely resembles human skin. Robots covered with this material will sense touch and even smile almost naturally. However, the goal was not to create visually appealing skin, but rather to develop a method for attaching artificial skin to a synthetic substrate in a way that mimics how human skin adheres to the body. This includes a network of ligaments, seamless connections, wrinkles, and the ability to make facial expressions. Scientists suggest that this new technology could contribute to the advancement of biohybrid robotics industry. The artificial skin equivalent can even regenerate through cell growth without any external triggers. The developers noted that as technology, including artificial intelligence, evolves, robots are taking on new roles, and with them, the function of their skin is also changing. A Silicon Valley company, Kind Humanoid, has introduced a new humanoid robot named Mona, which, in the future, could replace humans in performing everyday tasks and improving quality of life. The robot can recognize objects, hold them, and pass them along. Mona uses precise hand and manipulator movements to perform delicate actions, such as handing objects to a patient or assisting with daily activities. Mona is equipped with artificial intelligence based on large language models, allowing it to analyze speech, respond to emotions, and execute complex instructions. Its sensors and cameras provide 360-degree environmental perception, while advanced machine learning algorithms help anticipate user needs with a biomorphic design and advanced mechanics. Mona can perform fine motor tasks, lifting objects, pouring drinks, sorting items, and even assisting people with disabilities. The company Daruto designs and creates robots that replace construction workers. These mechanical laborers are already sanding walls, refining floors, and even laying tiles. The developers aim for complete automation while ensuring ease of use for end users. For example, the floor finishing robot intelligently plans its route and independently applies all layers from the initial primer to the final epoxy coating. A full range of sensors and radars helps the robots navigate their environment. The speed of the company's developments is astonishing. For instance, plaster application can be accelerated to 8 meters in 50 seconds, reducing labor intensity by 70% and increasing efficiency by as much as 200%. With the integration of artificial intelligence, robots will only need to be given a task. They will handle everything autonomously without human supervision. It is an extremely promising innovation that both impresses and raises concerns, as it could eventually replace a significant portion of construction jobs. The American startup Figure AI has announced plans to bring 100,000 humanoid robots to the market by 2029. The company is developing one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world, called Figure 01, designed for tasks in logistics, manufacturing, and retail. The Figure 01 stands 170 centimeters tall, weighs 60 kilograms, and can lift loads of up to 20 kilograms. It moves at a speed of 1.2 meters per second and operates autonomously for up to 5 hours on a single battery charge in early 2024. Figure AI signed a partnership agreement with BMW. The company's robots are expected to be integrated into production processes at BMW's new plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, within the next 12 to 24 months. Figure AI is also establishing a center for humanoid robot safety enhancement to develop an industry-wide certification program for robotic systems. In February 2024, Figure AI raised $675 million in funding, valuing the company at $2 billion. Engineers at Azure Printed Homes have developed a robot capable of 3D printing residential homes using recycled plastic. By utilizing 3D printers, they create modular structures with recycled plastic bottles serving as the primary building material. Constructing a single studio home requires approximately 100,000 bottles, and the cost of such a house is around $40,000. This is significantly cheaper than traditional construction methods, where a similar home could cost about $150,000. Additionally, this technology enables homes to be built 70% faster, while reducing costs by up to 30% compared to conventional construction methods. The entire building process takes just 3 days by using recycled plastic. This innovation not only lowers construction costs, but also helps reduce plastic waste, making a positive impact on environment. The team at Monumental has developed a bricklaying robot powered by artificial intelligence. The company is doing well after all. A $25 million investment is not given to just anyone. Moreover, 57% of European countries are already facing a severe shortage of bricklayers. In this context, construction firms are bound to appreciate a robot that not only works with high precision, but is also 50 to 60% faster than a human. It does not get tired, does not demand a raise, does not take smoke breaks, and does not make mistakes. Additionally, Monumental offers another robot in the package, one responsible for delivering bricks. In testing, these mechanical laborers successfully completed a 15-meter office warehouse facade and even participated in social housing projects. In short, this is yet another incredibly promising construction technology that is already effectively replacing human labor. The Chinese company Agabot has once again showcased footage from its largest humanoid robot manufacturing plant in Shanghai, where more than 1,000 robots have already been produced. Founded in February 2023, the company focuses on developing and mass-producing general-purpose robotic humanoids. Based on the video, it is clear that Agabot is seriously aiming to become an industry leader given the scale of its production. The company's main models are the Yuanjian A2 and Reza 1. They are equipped with powerful artificial intelligence and can process text, audio, and visual information while performing various tasks, including household assistance. The robots are designed for industrial applications, handling tasks such as bolt tightening, vehicle inspections, and laboratory research. At the Shanghai factory, humanoid robot production follows multiple stages, assembling modular components, testing for durability and performance, and verifying autonomy. An interesting aspect of the process is that already produced robots participate in assembling and testing new units. Agibot continues to drive the humanoid robotics industry forward, offering innovative solutions for both industrial and household use. Recently, the company bridged DP Robotics, which is specializing in developing control solutions for walking. Robotic machines took the internet by storm with a dance performed by its new development. In the released video, the company showcases a humanoid robot executing a dance with astonishingly realistic movements. However, detailed information about the robot model, its specifications and capabilities, has not yet been disclosed by the company. In the video, the robot demonstrates a high degree of mobility and coordination, performing dance moves reminiscent of human motion. This highlights the company's advanced control algorithms and precise mechanical design. We are eagerly awaiting more details about this robotic machine. It is quite possible that Bridge DP Robotics is about to enter the humanoid robotics race as a serious new contender. The Japanese company Hanadal, specializing in the creation of realistic robotic women, continues to win the hearts of men. Recently, the company released a new series of ultra-realistic robotic dolls that are almost indistinguishable from real people. The robots of Masako series, standing at 158 centimeters tall, are designed in the image of a young woman with delicate and natural facial features as well as body proportions as close to human as possible. Hanadal robots are made from medical-grade silicone, providing realistic softness and durability. An internal metal skeleton allows the doll to be posed in various positions, making it flexible and easy to use with integrated artificial intelligence. These robots can serve as excellent companions and conversational partners. The price of these robots varies depending on the model level of detail and additional features. The average cost ranges from $2,000 to $5,000. Not long ago, engineers from the South Korean company Tesalo showcased the new capabilities of their anthropomorphic robotic hand, Delto Gripper, 5-finger, by releasing a series of videos demonstrating its enhanced functions. In one test, the robotic hand confidently lifted a dumbbell weighing 3 kilograms, highlighting its high load capacity. In another, it skillfully used various tools, emphasizing its versatility. One experiment featured 2 such hands working in sync to unscrew a bottle cap, showcasing precise coordination, while another demonstrated the ability to carefully lift thin objects, such as a sheet of paper from a surface. Tesalo is actively improving the DG5F, and this robotic manipulator has already attracted attention at major exhibitions including RoboWorld 2024 and CES 2025. The device has 20 degrees of freedom, with each of its 5 fingers controlled by 4 independent joints, allowing it to closely mimic the movements of a human hand. The Chinese company Realman Intelligent Technology has introduced a multifunctional robot with dual manipulators designed to perform a wide range of tasks in industrial and service applications. Equipped with 2 7-axis robotic arms, each capable of lifting loads up to 5 kilograms. The robot offers high precision and flexibility in operation. The Real Man robot is fitted with various sensors, including laser rangefinders, depth cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, ensuring precise navigation and obstacle avoidance. Key features include the integration of depth, vision sensors, audio modules, and a mobile chassis with wheels and active suspension for stable and accurate movement. The robot's applications span industrial automation, healthcare, and smart retail environments, demonstrating a high level of adaptability and functionality. It is no coincidence that people say China is already living in the future. A recent video circulating online shows a humanoid robot walking a robotic dog in a Chinese park. The humanoid robot, named Magic Bot, belongs to the company Magic Lab. It has the ability to perform complex tasks as part of a team with other robotic machines. Magic Bot has learned to coordinate its actions using advanced collaborative interaction algorithms. The robot can analyze its surroundings, recognize objects, and interact with them effectively. Thanks to the integration of computer vision systems, sensors, and artificial intelligence, it can assign roles within a team of robots, adapting its work to changing conditions. For example, Magic Bot can independently determine which robot should take on a specific part of a task to minimize time and energy consumption. Magic Bot is an ideal solution for logistics, production lines, and other fields where efficient teamwork between autonomous systems is required. Engineers from the Chinese company Agile X Robotics have developed a versatile mobile robotic platform called Mobile Manipulator. It combines a powerful base platform, a robotic arm, with a high degree of freedom and advanced sensors for autonomous or remote operation. The robotic arm has 6 to 7 degrees of freedom, providing flexibility when handling objects from different angles for autonomous movement and interaction with the environment. The robot uses LiDAR cameras and ultrasonic sensors. Special feedback sensors help prevent damage to fragile objects, while a rotating wrist with a 360-degree turning angle makes gripping highly flexible. Mobile Manipulator can be adapted for a wide range of tasks, including production automation, warehouse, logistics, inspection, scientific research, and remote operations. Introducing the latest innovative humanoid robot named Ergo Cub, developed by the Italian Institute of Technology. The primary purpose of this robot is to work alongside humans in industrial construction and medical settings. The robot stands at 1.5 meters tall and weighs approximately 55.7 kilograms. Its built-in AI algorithms allow the robot to assess and adapt its actions based on the task and the physical capabilities of the person it is working with. The robot's 2 arms are capable of precisely and carefully holding and moving objects, enabling it to perform tasks such as lifting and transporting materials, thereby reducing the physical strain on humans. The robot's functionality includes providing support on production lines, assisting in lifting and transporting materials, and minimizing the burden on workers when moving heavy items. Bridge DP has released another video showcasing the dance capabilities of its latest robotic machine. This marks the company's second viral video in just a few days, with their newest robot taking the internet by storm with its performance in the latest video. The company presents a humanoid robot performing a dance with astonishingly realistic movements. However, detailed information about the robot's model, specifications, and capabilities has not yet been disclosed. The robot exhibits a high degree of mobility and coordination, executing dance moves that closely resemble human motion. This suggests advanced control algorithms and precise mechanics developed by the company. We are eagerly awaiting more details about this invention. It is entirely possible that Bridge DP is emerging as a new contender in the humanoid robotics race. Let us know in the comments, how would you rate the robot's dance performance? It is hard to imagine dancing robots without the right musical accompaniment. But what if the musician setting the rhythm is also a robotic machine? Meet Teotronico, a unique robot pianist capable of performing the most complex musical compositions with a level of precision and virtuosity beyond even that of professional pianist. In fact, even human pianists cannot match this android, as it has 53 fingers, allowing it to cover more keys and play pieces of unbelievable complexity. Creating this technological marvel took 4 years and approximately $4,500. The robot is equipped with cameras in its eyes, which allow it to observe the audience and react to their emotions. If listeners do not enjoy the music, it changes its repertory. Additionally, lyrics can be uploaded into its system, and Teatronics will not only play the song, but also sing it. A high-tech system called Universal Manipulation Interface has emerged in the robotics world, promising to free people from routine household tasks such as washing dishes. This project represents a breakthrough in training robots for complex manipulations, allowing them to replicate human movements and perform them with high precision. Umai is an interface for data collection and neural network training that uses portable hand grips and cameras for detailed recording of human actions. The grips are equipped with sensors, while an integrated GoPro camera captures movements with a wide-angle view. This enables the system to collect and analyze data on complex bimanual and dynamic tasks, such as holding and moving objects of different shapes, stability, and textures. These data are then used to create robot control algorithms capable of accurately replicating the demonstrated actions. In Shenzhen, China, a city known for its rapid technological advancements, humanoids powered by DeepSeek AI and Engine AI robotics are now assisting in government operations, public service, and even law enforcement. This isn't some distant sci-fi future. We're watching it unfold in real time. If you thought humanoid robots were still just expensive prototypes, think again. These robots are being trained, deployed, and integrated into society faster than anyone could have imagined. Videos circulating on social media show humanoid robots performing real tasks throughout the community. This isn't just a flashy experiment. China's state-run newspaper, the Global Times, calls it intelligent grassroots governance, a structured initiative to integrate AI into public service. We're talking about next-gen humanoids being used for municipal duties, law enforcement, and city maintenance. Meanwhile, 70 AI-powered digital employees have been deployed to handle government paperwork, making decisions, interacting with humans, and correcting errors with astonishing accuracy. Not only humanoid robots can amaze with their dancing skills, quadruped robots also deliver impressive performances. Recently, the Chinese company unit Tree Robotics staged a spectacular show where 130 robotic dogs performed a synchronized dance, stunning the audience with their coordination and precision. These robots, known as Unitary Go 1, are the world's first consumer-grade bionic robotic quadruped companions. They are equipped with a highly advanced sensor system and an intelligent tracking system, allowing them to adapt to their environment and perform complex tasks. Additionally, the built-in artificial intelligence of Go 1 enables autonomy and the ability to analyze situations in real time, making it not just a dancer, but also a fully functional assistant. Despite its advanced features, the robotic dog remains relatively affordable, with the base version priced from $2,700. Engineers from the Georgia Institute of Technology have developed an innovative system called Ego Mimic designed for robots' training and reasoning. The goal of the project is to enhance the learning of robotic manipulation systems by utilizing data collected through wearable devices. The system uses Project Area glasses equipped with cameras and sensors to record human actions when interacting with objects. This allows for the collection of detailed data on movements and manipulations from the perspective of the performer. The collected data is used to train robots to replicate human actions with high accuracy, significantly improving their ability to interact with the environment. The project demonstrates significant progress in robotics, particularly in training robots for complex manipulations without the need to manually program each action. The use of data gathered through wearable devices opens new possibilities for creating more intuitive and efficient robotic systems. The well-known American company Figure has introduced Helix, a universal and highly advanced artificial intelligence designed for controlling robotic humanoids. This AI enables robots to understand voice commands, analyze their surroundings, and perform tasks in real time. Helix allows 2 robots to work together simultaneously, solving a shared task by manipulating objects they have never seen before. The system was trained on approximately 500 hours of teleoperated behavior data. Figure claims that robots equipped with Helix can pick up almost any small household object on command. Unlike previous approaches, Helix uses a single set of neural network weights to learn all behavior models, including lifting and placing objects using drawers and refrigerators, and interacting between robots without any task-specific fine-tuning. In February, 2024 Figure raised $675 million, reaching a valuation of $2.6 billion among the investors, were Jeff Bezos, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and the OpenAI startup fund. The Japanese company Tokyo Robotics has shared progress on its multifunctional robot called Torobo. This robot is specifically designed to perform various manipulation tasks, including demonstrating high precision and speed and movements. In the latest video, the company showcased the robot's newest capabilities. Torobo has learned to throw balls with incredible accuracy. As it prepares for its first competitions, the robot calculates the necessary position, applies the required force, and sets the trajectory for a precise throw. This process demonstrates how the robot can handle tasks that require both speed and precision and movements. Torobo is equipped with sensors and cameras, allowing it to analyze objects and track their position in space. This helps adjust movement trajectories in real time. Tokyo Robotics develops such robots for scientific research and industrial applications, where automation of manual processes and a high level of interaction are essential. Japanese humanoid robots are also ready for heavy-duty work. A Japanese robotics company has garnered significant attention with its unique heavy machinery, a humanoid industrial robot that can be remotely controlled by a human operator. Jinki Atai, a robotics startup from Kusatsu in Shiga Prefecture, recently unveiled an unusual yet highly intriguing type of heavy machinery, representing a fusion of human and machine. The metallic humanoid robot, featuring a head, torso, and 2 arms, emerges from a cabin resembling that of an excavator. This robot is designed to perform maintenance tasks in various fields, such as railway track repairs or the replacement and repair of road signs. It can replace a crew of workers, thereby reducing the risk of serious workplace accidents. The robot is capable of lifting and moving heavy loads such as steel pipes, plates, or wires, and performs its tasks just as effectively as a human as it is controlled by one. The humanoid robot Jinki essentially mirrors the movements of the human operator in the heavy machinery cabin. The operator wears special glasses connected to the robot's eyes, allowing them to precisely control the robot's arm movements using the technology developed by the company. The German research center DLR, known for its cutting-edge developments in robotic technologies, has created a unique humanoid robot named David. David has 44 degrees of freedom, allowing it to imitate human movements with high precision. The robot is equipped with 2 arms, a neck, and a head, and its design is based on powerful brushless motors combined with highly integrated power and digital electronics. One of the key features of the robot is its drive system located in the forearms, which makes the robot's arms compact and lightweight. David can effectively interact with various tools. For example, it can independently use a hammer drill and vacuum cleaner to drill holes in concrete slabs. This demonstration shows that the robot can perform complex and labor-intensive tasks that typically require significant physical effort and coordination. An Austrian startup, Princeton's, has developed an innovative construction robot called BoBot, designed to automate a wide range of tasks on construction sites. This robot aims to replace manual labor in dangerous and labor-intensive conditions, providing safer and more efficient methods of work. BoBot can be remotely operated via a smartphone or follow pre-programmed commands, moving at speeds of up to 3.2 kilometers per hour. The main advantage of BoBot lies in its multifunctional robotic arm, which has a reach of up to 1 meter and positioning accuracy of less than 1 millimeter. This arm can be equipped with various tools, allowing it to perform tasks such as cutting, drilling, grinding, welding, and even laying bricks. Additionally, the robot is capable of carrying loads of up to 500 kilograms, making it useful for transporting construction materials across the worksite. The future is already here. The Norwegian startup 1X Technologies has introduced its latest humanoid robot, named Neo Gamma, designed to assist with household tasks. It is equipped with a special controller that allows it to move with a natural human-like gait, including arm movements. The robot can squat to pick up objects from the floor, sit on a chair, and maintain balance. The new model features an advanced visual manipulation system enabling it to grasp a variety of objects, even in unfamiliar environments. This has been achieved through neural networks trained to predict actions based on raw sensor data. The goal of the project is for the robot to handle any household chore. For example, it can arrange dishes, vacuum floors, clean windows, make tea, and much more. It even recharges while sitting on a couch. The robot can not only speak but also use body language. It has emotional earrings, LED indicators that display its status and enhance communication. Neo Gamma will cost approximately $22,500, but the launch date has not been disclosed. Just as we were getting used to the progress of the Chinese robot G1, Unitary Robotics released a new video showcasing its impressive dancing abilities. In the demonstration, the robot performs complex dance moves with remarkable smoothness and precision. This was made possible by an updated algorithm that allows G1 to learn any dance, analyze movements, and replicate them with a high degree of realism. G1 is equipped with 21 degrees of freedom, providing it with flexibility and fluidity that closely resembles human motion. Thanks to high-power electromechanical actuators, the robot instantly responds to commands, while its advanced balance system enables it to perform complex maneuvers, including jumps, flips, and rapid posture changes. Additionally, G1 can walk at speeds of up to 2 meters per second and operate for about 2 hours on a single battery charge. The base model of the robot starts at $16,000. The company Clone Robotics has recently introduced its new humanoid robot named Protoclon. This full-body machine impresses with its anthropomorphic design and its ability to reproduce human-like movements with uncanny accuracy. Protoclon utilizes a unique system of synthetic muscles, allowing it to move with an eerie resemblance to a human. In a video released by the company, the robot is seen hanging from the ceiling with its limbs twitching and kicking chaotically. However, according to the developers, this is just the first step toward creating robotic assistants capable of performing various household tasks. The robot features a polymer skeleton which replicates 206 human bones. Clone Robotics envisions a future where Protoclon can handle human tools and perform tasks such as laundry, dishwashing, and cooking. What makes Protoclone truly unique is its muscle system, which consists of over 1,000 artificial muscles developed using myofiber technology. The heart of the robot is a 500-watt electric pump, which enables fluid circulation at a rate of 40 liters per minute. The Chinese company Magic Lab has shared the latest advancements in its robotic humanoids. The highlight of the most recent update is the new hands for their robotic machines. The Magic Hand S01 features 11 degrees of freedom, can hold 5 kilograms with 2 fingers, and effortlessly lifts 20 kilograms. Magic Labs. Robots are capable of performing complex tasks requiring high precision, such as roasting marshmallows, performing magic tricks, dancing, and folding clothes. Recent videos from the company demonstrate that these robots could become valuable factory workers executing the same actions as humans. This showcases their advanced motor skills and movement coordination. The company aims to integrate robots into everyday life, making various tasks easier. The Magic Bot, humanoid robot, represents a major leap forward in robotics, offering multifunctional capabilities, high-precision movements, and a wide range of applications. Japanese engineer, enthusiast, and author of the YouTube channel Kaito has introduced his new development, the robotic hand called Kai Hand. This project is the result of extensive experiments and technical improvements aimed at creating a convenient and functional manipulator capable of precisely imitating human hand movements. The robotic hand consists of a lightweight and durable aluminum frame with 3D printed components. It has 5 independent fingers, each equipped with an individual servo drive. This technology can be used in prosthetics, neural network training, and industrial manipulators for precise work with small objects. The Kai Hand development demonstrates the capabilities of new technologies in robotics, combining mechatronics, artificial intelligence, and sensor systems in the future. Engineer Kaido plans to improve control algorithms and add machine learning support, allowing the hand to adapt to new tasks. In a move that has caught the tech world by surprise, Meta has announced its ambitious plans to develop AI-powered humanoid robots. But before you start imagining a fleet of Zuckerberg-branded robots walking around, there's a catch. Meta is not building its own robots. Instead, it's focusing on the AI, sensors, and software that will power humanoid machines built by other companies. This is a significant shift for the company, which has long been associated with social media and virtual reality. But with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, it was only a matter of time before Meta expanded its reach. And now, with its Reality Labs division taking the lead, the company is diving headfirst into the world of humanoid robotics. Unlike Tesla, which is actively developing its Optimus humanoid robot, or Amazon, which has introduced its Astro Home assistant, Meta is taking a different route. Rather than manufacturing a physical robot, Meta's goal is to provide the intelligence that will power these machines. The company is leveraging its advanced AI models, specifically its LLAMA models, to give humanoid robots the ability to understand, learn, and interact with the world around them. This strategic move means Meta won't have to deal with the complexities of robotics hardware production. Instead, it can focus on making AI-powered robots smarter, more intuitive, and capable of performing everyday household tasks. Whether it's folding laundry, loading dishwashers, or assisting with home maintenance, Meta envisions a future where humanoid robots can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. The company LimX Dynamics, which specializes in general-purpose robotic technologies, recently announced a new technological breakthrough in real time: perceptive locomotion, manipulation, and full-body control of robotic humanoids in a 3-minute single-take video. The humanoid robot, CL1, demonstrates continuous loading of heavy items onto shelves in a simulated warehouse. The CL1 can lift and move a 4.1 kilograms item from shelf to shelf, as well as transport packages of bottled juice weighing 8.2 kilograms. The robot has been given the ability to adopt various poses, including deep squats under load, standing up from a squat with load, lifting weights with load, and walking with load. Considering that the robot is also capable of tasks such as climbing stairs and descending slopes, the CL1 could become a serious competitor to humanoid robots from Tesla and Figure in the future. The future is already near how industrial humanoid robots are changing the world. In recent years, the world has witnessed the rapid development of industrial robotic humanoids. Companies working in the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence have made enormous progress in creating machines capable of performing complex physical and intellectual tasks that were previously only available to humans. These robots are already beginning to transform industry, the economy, and society, and in the coming decades, their impact will only grow. However, along with opportunities come threats, mass job losses, the potential emergence of robot self-awareness, and even risks associated with controlling advanced artificial intelligence. But how far has progress in humanoid robot development actually gone? Modern industrial humanoids are autonomous machines equipped with complex sensor systems, artificial intelligence, and mechanics that allow them to perform a wide range of tasks. Robots such as Tesla Optimus, Agility Robotics, Digit Figure 01, from Figure, AI Xiaomi, Cyber One, and many others have been changing the game in recent years. Their progress is so rapid that many experts compare it to the Industrial Revolution. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Many companies, including Boston Dynamics, Honda, Toyota, Hyundai, and others, are actively working on improving robotic humanoids, making them more intelligent, autonomous, and accessible for business. How far can humanoid development go? In the next 10 to 20 years, humanoid robots will begin to massively replace humans in areas related to physical labor. They are already being tested in logistics and warehouse operations, robots and warehouses of Amazon, Alibaba, and other companies. Industry, automated factories where robots perform assembly and quality control. Construction, humanoids that can work on construction sites. Service sector, robotic waiters, cleaners, and assistants. medicine doctor assistants caring for elderly patients. By the year 2050, humanoid robots may appear that can work in almost any profession requiring physical actions. The only exceptions will be professions requiring high creativity, emotional intelligence, and deep social engagement. However, mass implementation of humanoids also has a downside: mass unemployment and a crisis in the social system. Replacing humans with robots will lead to the disappearance of millions of jobs. The hardest-hit industries will include factory workers, logistics and warehouse employees, service sector workers, and drivers. Along with the development of autonomous vehicle technologies, this raises the question: what will happen to people left without jobs? One possible solution is the introduction of universal basic income, where the state provides citizens with a fixed sum regardless of employment status. However, this would require significant economic reforms. From mind-bending AI breakthroughs to robots that are redefining what's possible, February has shown us once again that the future is closer than we think. Whether it's China's relentless innovation, Japan's precision, the US's cutting-edge research, or the incredible contributions from around the world, the pace of progress is nothing short of astonishing. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the latest in AI and robotics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Until next month, keep dreaming big and thinking beyond limits. The future is here, and it's only getting started.